To perlok benta kane ke video ngapen iya pi ya ki translation ki bayade chapang kine ki arkli kiri badon ha ka patay ka Rusia bat ka Ukraine kine kiri ki don ha ka jingyaki kumba benta. And in this video I have got some idea to show you this type of translation, so please watch and enjoy the video. Thanks you. To ngin sedang meminta ke video. On 24 February of 2022, Russia began a military invasion of Ukraine. Ha uar paso cerik February jong usnem arhajar arboar ka Rusia kala sedang banyar thma da kijipai ya kuri Ukraine. The war between Russia and Ukraine is called Russo-Ukrainian. Lakhot ya kathma padeng ka Russia bat ka Ukraine kadai ka Russo-Ukrainian. Russia is the second most powerful country in the world. Ka Russia kadai ka ri ka baar na ka baklan bortam ha ka perthai. Also, many people die in Ukraine because of war. Bon kibriu ki bayap ha Ukraine na mar kathma. More than 3 million Ukrainians have fled away for escape from war. Kumba lai million ngud kinong Ukraine kila her kran ban laib na kathma. And thousands of civilian and combatants have died. But daki hajar ngud ki pajda bat kinong yikun kilayam. Why there is a war between these two countries, that is Russia and Ukraine. Balay ladon katma hapdeng artli kinegri kata kadai ka Russia bat ka Ukraine. If Russia continue to invade Ukraine, it will become a poorest country in the world. Lada ka Russia ka yaipteng banyar thma ya ka Ukraine kan salong kari ka baduktam ha ka perthai. Ukraine lost more than 40 soldiers killed in Russian attack. Many injured. Ka Ukraine galado kumpa saw peutli kichipai balayab ha ka jingsiat ka Russia bonro kibaman saw. In the midst of war, Ukraine has made a big claim that it has shot down 6 Russian aircraft. Hapdeng jongatma ka Ukraine kalayo bansiat no hado Henry Tuli ki kali baher jong ka Russia. Russian force fire missiles at several Ukrainian cities. Kichipai Russia kila siat daki tierthma haki babon kinangba jong ka Ukraine. And also landed troops on southern part of Ukraine. Badro kalabo ya ka kanhon chipai ha ki benta bachete jongkori Ukraine. Many residential towers, constructed building, and even hospital have been destroyed in Ukraine war. Bon ki jingtay nam ki yeng bahe baladebshna but what ki yeng basumar yakinong pang kalajadno ha kathma Ukraine. How strong is Ukraine military as compared to Russia? Hado kano ka jingklan bor ki chipa Ukraine lada yanu jor but ka Russia. Vladimir Putin is the president of Russia. Vladimir Putin uday ukledo jong kori Russia. Ukraine has 196,600 active military personnel. Ka Ukraine ka don hado chilak kandebang 2,000 and patli ichipai troika. The military was split into 125,600 ground troops and 35,000 air personnel and 15,000 naval troops. Kakenhun la pia hado way ar person Hendruspa kichipai rinkeu but lai pausan hajar ki chipai hasuny but khatsan hajar ki chipai duriao. Ukraine Navy just contains 2 warships. Kakanhun duriao jong ka Ukraine kadon tang artuli ki thma. Russia invasion Ukraine carries a huge risk for the world economy.